The first vintage that I could recommend in the past 15 years is probably 97, which is a wonderful vintage of noble rot and perfect condition, long harvest from beginning September until beginning November, but really typical of what could be a wonderful vintage of noble rot. Then, of course, and we can't forget this vintage, 2001. When we made this vintage, I say to myself, okay, I will see a such vintage one time in my life, but never again. And it was the perfect wine, perfect conditions during the harvest, perfect winemaking, and after the wine was so beautiful at each time during the aging in barrels, and each time I taste this wine I say, okay, it's a perfect wine. And probably the last one I can recommend is 2009, and when we made the 2009 I think to myself, okay, perhaps we are at the level of 2001, but probably the style of the two vintages will be different. 2009 is very opulent, perhaps a little bit less acidity, but such purity on the flavor that I'm sure that during the next years it will be one of the best vintage ever made at Yquem. 2012 vintage was very difficult for us in Sauternes generally. We had a lot of rain in October, and the challenge was first to have enough concentration of sugar to make our wonderful sweet wine, and the second challenge was to preserve the healthy character of our grapes, because we had a lot of grey rot in 2012, grey rot, acid rot, so a lot of bad evolution of grapes, and it was difficult to pick the grapes with only noble rot. So we tried to make that, and I think we success to pick only grapes infected by noble rot with enough concentration. We have in the cellar some wine which are the good concentration, but when we tasted them just after the alcoholic fermentation, we understand that the quality was not sufficient for making Yquem. The flavor was were not enough complex, not enough intense. The structure on the palate was just a little bit diluted and not enough opulent. I mean, the wine were really light, and the length on the palate was very short. So we understand very quick that the vintage will have not the quality sufficient for Yquem, and the decision was taken at that time.